My name is John Paul, and I welcome you to week 13 of the English football postseason. And I'm here to give you the papers from Soccer Research. What you're looking at is Capital International. If you're just joining my channel for the very first time, kindly click on the subscribe button. Subscription is free. Like this video as well. If you want to be getting these papers very early, then you can subscribe to my paper room on WhatsApp or on Telegram. I do send them to subscribers the moment they give them. Then this video usually comes out on Wednesday evening or latest Thursday morning. So to subscribe to the papers room is 3,000 naira for a month. The existing members pay 2,000 naira. So if you are interested, you can holler me on WhatsApp or on Telegram. The number is 070-306-35051. As usual, you know I normally do a review. So let's do a review of what happened in week 12. This is week 12. I will take you to the back page. This is the back page of week 12. This is purple color. Whenever there are two family numbers here on purple, it's for one draw. Now check this out. This is 49, this is 49. The game here is 17, the game here is 37, family of 7. Whenever there's any potential sequence like this, you know it's a potential now. 17, 37, and an odd number bringing them together. Then when you move inside, you come here. These are two numbers here, 44, 46. One of them enters treble chance. This becomes a pair. Then the last but not the least, any game from here that is marked is a draw. That's for purple color. Now let me show you the papers for this week. This is week 13. This is Capital International. If you want to be getting these papers and other full forecast papers, you can subscribe to join my full papers room on Telegram and on WhatsApp. First time users pay 3,000 naira, then subsequently you can pay 2,000 naira every month to renew your fee. It's good you learn how to predict draws. It's good you learn how to forecast from the comfort of your home. You can only visit the pool office to play your games, but you can forecast draws from the comfort of your home. I scan these papers and I put them in a PDF file for you. You can easily use them with comfort, easy access, anytime, any day, anywhere. On the move, you can be in the office, you can remember something, oh, let me check it out. You can just open your phone, and what do? You do your forecast. So kindly patronize me, kindly encourage me. This is my full-time job. I need your support and I need your encouragement. So that's for Capital International. The next paper is Bob Morton. This is week 13, and as usual I'll go to week 12. When you come to this place, this is the first time two family numbers are entering here. 1434. They are an even number. They gave us two draws. So whenever you see this again, know that it's a draw. Then any game from here that also found in picture game, this 34, is also a draw as well. So that's the only information I have for you from Bob Morton. And let me show you Bob Morton for the week. I've also scanned these papers. I have the papers from week 4 to date. So if you need it, I can send it to you in a PDF format. All you have to do is pay 3,000 naira this month. Then from November you can be paying 2,000 naira to get the papers, and you can be able to use them from the comfort of your home, at work, in the office, on the go. You can be traveling, you don't have access to papers, but I can scan them and deliver them for you. All you have to do is by paying a token sum of 3,000 naira this month, then 2,000 naira in subsequent month. You will be able to have access to these papers and other papers like special advance and Right On Football Fixtures, which are some of the best pool forecast papers you can ever think of in this business. This is an enterprise, that is why I beckon on you for your support and encouragement and to keep this work going. So that's the papers from Bob Martin for this week 13, 2019-2020 season. The last but not the least is Soccer Research. And now let me take you to week 12. Let's do a review. This is purple because I checked this movement. It didn't work in brown, but it worked in purple. This is 14, this is 24, family number to give you one draw. And these are serial numbers, 14, 15. 40 plus 1 is 15, 15 minus 1 is 14. It gave us 2 draws. Now check this column. This meet me at, and this for 1x. When you add this together, 23 plus 23, what do you have? It's 46. Becomes a pair. So these are first time sequence. Last week I told you that any game from here that drops here is a draw. That was the second time. I didn't know they've changed the system. Now this is 49 dropping here. It gave us a draw. This is first time movement. When you see this number coming again for second time movement, you can risk it. And now check this out. This is 21. 21 plus 21. The answer is what? 42. Another pair. And what happens? It gave us 2 draws. Soccer can be tricky, but if you are lucky, you may just find yourself in the right channel and you will be happy. Now this is the Soccer Research for week 13. If you are just joining my channel for the very first time, kindly click on the subscribe button. Subscription is free. Like this video, share this video with your friends. And I need your support, I need your encouragement. This video normally comes out every Wednesday evening or latest Thursday morning. That's when I have the time to make it available. But for my subscribers, those who are paid to join the papers forecast room, I scan and send these papers to them whenever the papers are ready. The papers for this week were delivered on Monday evening, and the marked papers were delivered on Tuesday morning. So you can support me by joining the pool papers room, and at the end of the day you will be happy, I'll be happy, and everyone is happy. You get your information that you need. Now this is the back page. Let me zoom in here because there are some persons who use this to make predictions. This is Skipper's Soccer Statistics. My name is John Paul. You can call me, send me message on WhatsApp or on Telegram. The number is 070-306-35051. The number once again is 070-306-35051. Now let me zoom in on the percentages. And for those who subscribe to my papers room this week, I have 2 special bankers for you, which is for 1 or 2 draws. Nothing is guaranteed in pool, but it's a second time movement sequence. If you're interested, you can subscribe to my papers room. The fee is 3,000 naira for this month. Then to get my complete games for this week and throughout this month, you can pay 5,000 naira to join the pool forecast room. I have 2 groups on WhatsApp and Telegram. There's the forecast room and there's the papers room. If you join the forecast room, you also be added into the papers room as well, and we will keep working together and hope you will win. Nothing in gambling is 100% guaranteed and certain, so put that at the back of your mind. But it's good you have access to these papers. Learn how to fish for yourself from the comfort of your home, from the comfort at any point and place in time. The video for week 14 will be out on Wednesday, and I wish you good luck. Goodbye. Thanks.